Good evening. My name is Santiago Galvis Ovalle, and I am an industrial engineering student. In this presentation, you can see places in Santa Marta. My experience in Santa Marta was interesting because I had never seen the sea in person. In this place, there are many other activities such about rides, riding on a disco float, banana boat, diving, swimming with dolphins, kayaking, riding a water motorcycle, skateboarding around the beach, and surfing. You can also enjoy sunsets, visit the aquarium where there are many species of fish, ocean wildlife come in base, and see the place where the sea meets the river in Buritaca. I chose this section because it was my first experience using the sea and the beach. I was very satisfied with the places I visited and the activities I did. For this reason, I recommend traveling to Santa Marta. In this section, the number of activities you can do in this place is shown, together with the sites I visited during my trip. My experience in Santa Marta was very meaningful because of its activities and escapes. The trip exceeded my expectations and left my good memories, so it is a highly recommended destination. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.